Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting an exciting deal for WebTotem. If you want to keep your site and data safe all the time, including security modules that are being updated on a regular basis to keep up with the current threats, then let WebTotem help you. For only $69, get lifetime deal today. WebTotem is a security tool for web applications that secures your website and actively monitors threats. It is designed to detect and block malware and other threats from compromising your website, as well as prevent unauthenticated access to your data, which can be used by hackers to steal sensitive information or bypass your website's security measures. With WebTotem, you are confident that you have the necessary security in place to prevent unauthorized access to your website. By screening incoming traffic, the web application firewall defends against assaults from hackers, spambots, and other automated threats. You will avoid being slowed down by fraudulent traffic by preventing attackers from visiting your site at ultra-short intervals. With WebTotem's antivirus, you'll have a second line of defense. WebTotem uses a strong signature analysis method. The antivirus module will automatically scan files for viruses, shells, and backdoors. The software then generates thorough reports with the analysis findings, including the name, file path, and threat class. The antivirus will also notify you if you haven't authorized any new, modified, or deleted files, as this is frequently a symptom of harmful malware causing problems. You may prevent the infection from spreading and your website from being blacklisted by search engines and antivirus software. WebTotem also makes it simple to determine where your website sits in terms of security. Keep everything safe and secure with WebTotem. Get lifetime deal today for only $69. You can save as much as $3,500. Give your website the protection it needs. For more details about WebTotem, check out the link below and get unlimited access today at an affordable price. Check out the collection of current software lifetime deals, available on the right side of your screen. Find a software solution that suits you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get updates on the latest software deals with great discounts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.